Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you on how to change group notification tones on WhatsApp. If you want to personalize the notification sound for your WhatsApp groups, this full guide will show you how. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device and make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Tap the three dots located at the top right corner of the page. This will open the Settings menu. Step 3. From the Settings menu, tap on Notifications. Step 4. Now, look for the option labeled Groups and tap on it. Step 5. Under the Groups section, find the Notification Tone option and tap on it. Step 6. Select a tone from the available options to set it as the notification sound for your WhatsApp groups. By following these simple steps, you can easily change the notification tones for your WhatsApp groups and give them a personal touch. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides and tips. Thanks for watching. Personalize your WhatsApp group notifications with custom tones. That's all for today's video. We hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more informative videos. Happy messaging!